tropa, the moment of truth. I-announce na kung sino yung mananalo dito ngayon sa Zumba event sa Anilag Zumba Fitness 2025. Okay, ito na.
For our Zumba competition here at
For our third place winner.
Our third place winner for our Zumba competition who will be receiving 20,000 pesos. Our third place goes to group number 11, Bay!
Saya-saya nila tropa. Third place winner goes to Bay. Second place naman mga tropa.
Our second place winner for the Zumba competition on Anilag Festival 2025 is Municipality of Mahayhay!
Palapit. Kabuyaw. Mag-ingay, kabuyaw.
And now, to receive 30,000 pesos.
Woo! 30,000 pesos.
Our grand prize winner for the Zumba competition of Anilag Festival 2025.
And the champion goes to
Our first place winner is
first
from
place. First place winner.
the city of Santa Rosa.
Ay! First place goes to Santa Rosa, Laguna. Congratulations, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Dahil abi tropa, hindi mananalo yung bayan ng Kabuyaw. Pero para sa akin, Kabuyaw pa rin ang number 1. Bawi tayo next year. Hanggang sa susunod tropa. Ito pa si Tonton. Peace. Kabuyaw, number 1.